Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore Japan's onsen hot spring culture, including its unique allure and some important guidelines. Japan is home to countless hot springs, treasured for centuries as places of relaxation and healing. Onsen experiences go beyond simply soaking in hot water. They're steeped in a rich culture and etiquette. Through this video, I hope you'll learn about the history and various types of Japanese onsen, as well as the health benefits they provide, and that it will inspire you to enjoy Japan's hot springs even more. 1. The history and background of onsen. Let's start by discussing how Japan's onsen culture began. With its volcanic activity, Japan has abundant hot springs, which have been used since ancient times. Onsens are mentioned in ancient texts like the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki, highlighting their presence in Japanese mythology. Onsens have long been cherished as sacred spaces for purification and healing. Ancient people viewed the effects of onsen waters as gifts from the gods, using them to heal illnesses, ease travel fatigue, and rejuvenate. Even samurai and monks would bathe in onsen as part of their spiritual cleansing. This unique culture of coexistence with nature gave rise to Japan's onsen culture, and this harmony with nature still shapes it today. Health benefits of onsen. Now, let's look at the health benefits of onsen. Onsen water contains various minerals believed to be beneficial for the body, such as bicarbonate ions, sulfur, and sodium. These minerals promote relaxation, improve blood circulation, and can even alleviate joint and muscle pain. They permeate the body, providing relief to tired muscles. For instance, sulfur-rich onsen are especially helpful for skin conditions and joint pain, attracting visitors seeking these benefits. Carbonated springs enhance blood circulation and are effective for cold sensitivity and fatigue recovery. Thus, onsen serve not only as places for relaxation but also as natural therapies, which is one reason they've captivated the Japanese for centuries. Types of modern onsen. Finally, let's explore the types of onsen popular in Japan today. There are various styles to choose from. First, the traditional ryokan Japanese inn onsen offers a complete experience, combining a hot spring bath with accommodation in a Japanese-style room and meals. This experience is popular with travelers seeking a relaxing, quintessentially Japanese stay. Recently, onsen theme parks and day-use onsen have also become popular. Onsen theme parks offer multiple types of baths and saunas, providing a more casual onsen experience. Additionally, foot baths, available in many areas, allow people to enjoy the benefits of onsen without fully undressing, often found near tourist spots in the city. Day-use onsen allow visitors to enjoy the baths without staying overnight, which is popular with both busy travelers and locals. Japan offers a wide range of onsen experiences, each with unique ways to enjoy them. Whether you choose to relax at a traditional onsen inn or try out the many baths in a theme park, I hope you find an onsen experience that suits your style. 2. Preparation and etiquette before visiting an onsen. Essential items for visiting an onsen. Let's start by discussing the items you should bring when visiting an onsen. While some onsen facilities provide towels and amenities, it's a good idea to bring your own just to be safe. The must-have item for visiting an onsen is a towel. It's convenient to have a small towel for washing and a larger one for drying off after the bath. Some facilities offer rentals, but they may charge a fee, so it's best to check in advance. Next, you'll need shampoo, body soap, and facial cleanser. Many onsen facilities provide these, but if you're concerned about compatibility with your skin, it's best to bring your preferred products. Additionally, some facilities have paid lockers, so bringing some coins can be helpful. If you need moisturizing after the bath, don't forget to bring your skincare products. While many onsen ingredients are gentle on the skin, they can sometimes cause dryness. Things to keep in mind before entering the onsen. Now, let's go over some important points to consider before entering the onsen. Japanese onsen culture has unique manners, and following them allows everyone to enjoy a relaxing experience. First, it's essential to tie up your hair before entering the onsen. This prevents hair from getting into the bath. Those with long hair should tie it up or use a shower cap. It's also customary to remove makeup before bathing. Allowing the onsen minerals to contact your bare skin helps you experience the full benefits of the water. If no makeup remover is available, it's a good idea to bring some along. Additionally, be sure to perform a rinse before entering the bath. This quick rinse helps wash away dirt from the body and is an important etiquette for maintaining a clean environment in the onsen. This practice shows respect for other bathers, ensuring everyone can enjoy the onsen in a clean state. The rinse ritual and its significance. Lastly, let's discuss the practice and significance of the rinse ritual. Rinsing is a fundamental etiquette in Japanese onsen culture. Before entering the bath, rinsing off surface dirt involves filling a bucket with warm water at the washing station and pouring it over your neck, shoulders, and body. This practice helps keep the bathwater clean, providing a pleasant environment for the next person. This rinse ritual reflects Japan's unique value of consideration for others. It highlights the importance of cleanliness and courtesy so everyone can comfortably enjoy the onsen. Additionally, rinsing gradually warms the body, preventing a sudden change in temperature, which helps enhance relaxation. Japanese onsen culture embodies respect for others through such etiquette. When you visit an onsen in Japan, follow the rinse ritual to ensure a truly relaxing experience. 3. Basic rules for onsen etiquette. Manners at the washing area. The first important aspect of onsen etiquette is proper manners at the washing area. In Japanese onsen culture, consideration for others is highly valued because many people share these communal spaces. And everyone should be able to enjoy them comfortably. For instance, be mindful not to take up too much space in the washing area. The showers and washing spaces are shared, so it's essential not to monopolize your spot. Also, ensure that shampoo or soap doesn't splash onto others by being aware of those around you. A specific example of onsen etiquette is to sit while washing your body, which is a common practice in Japanese onsen. This helps prevent water or soap suds from splashing onto others. Standing up while washing may inconvenience others if the bubbles spread around, so remember to sit while you clean yourself. By following proper washing area etiquette, you and others can enjoy the onsen in a comfortable and pleasant atmosphere. Prohibited behaviors in the bathtub. Next, let's cover prohibited behaviors in the bathtub area. Since this is a place for everyone to relax, certain manners should be observed here as well. Firstly, avoid letting your hair touch the water when entering the bathtub. Hair can carry oils and dirt, which may contaminate the water. For those with long hair, tying it up or securing it so it doesn't touch the water is considerate. Additionally, refrain from using soap or shampoo in the bathtub. Since this area is shared, it's standard practice to wash your body thoroughly before entering. Using soap or shampoo in the bathtub can mix these substances into the water, affecting other users. Keep the washing to the washing area and reserve the bathtub for relaxation. Following these rules ensures that everyone, including yourself, can have a pleasant onsen experience. Japan-specific tattoo rules. Lastly, let's talk about Japan-specific tattoo rules. Many onsen facilities in Japan prohibit entry for individuals with tattoos. This is because, in Japan, tattoos have historically been associated with antisocial groups, and many people, especially in public places, still have a negative view of them. Specifically, tattoos are often seen as symbols of antisocial groups, and in facilities frequented by elderly people or families. There can be a strong apprehension toward tattoos. Therefore, many onsen facilities restrict entry for those with tattoos. However, with the increase in foreign tourists, some onsen have become more flexible regarding tattoos. Some facilities now permit entry if you cover your tattoo with a seal or cover. If you have a tattoo, it's advisable to check with the facility beforehand or bring a tattoo cover so you can enjoy the onsen with peace of mind. Understanding Japan's unique tattoo rules and respecting local culture and regulations can make your onsen experience more enjoyable. 4. Post-onsen care and etiquette. The importance of hydration after using an onsen. Let's discuss why hydration is essential after soaking in an onsen. When you enter an onsen, your body warms up deeply, causing you to lose fluids through sweating. Onsens, in particular, have a high metabolism boosting effect. And while relaxing, you sweat a lot, making hydration even more critical than after a typical bath. Rehydrating immediately after leaving the onsen is crucial to prevent dehydration. For instance, many onsen facilities provide access to water or sports drinks, allowing guests to rehydrate and maintain their well-being. Moreover, because blood circulation improves after onsen bathing, replenishing fluids aids in regulating body temperature smoothly. So, don't forget to hydrate after your onsen experience to care for your body from the inside out and feel refreshed. Enjoying the post-onsen rest area. Next, let's explore how to enjoy the rest area after visiting an onsen. Many onsen facilities offer a relaxation area where you can unwind after your bath. These areas often have cold drinks, ice cream, and yogurt drinks available from vending machines, treats that are especially enjoyable post-onsen. This time is provided for guests to relax further and alleviate everyday stress. For example, seasonal drinks are available, such as chilled lemonade or ice pops in summer and hot cocoa or warm tea in winter. Many places also have massage chairs, sofas, or even reclining spaces to lie down and rest. This post-onsen relaxation time is a fulfilling way to refresh both body and mind. Take your time to unwind in the rest area after your onsen visit, and enjoy a truly relaxing experience. Preventing lost items at onsen facilities. Finally, let's talk about preventing lost items at onsen facilities. It's easy to forget towels or personal items after relaxing at an onsen. Items are often left behind in lockers or the vanity area, and with many other guests around, forgotten items are seldom left behind for long. Therefore, it's essential to make it a habit to check your belongings before leaving the onsen. For instance, checking a list of items like your smartphone or keys before entering can be helpful. If you've brought towels or shampoo, a second check as you leave is also a good idea. Some facilities will assist you at the front desk if you realize you've forgotten something, so consult the staff if you think you left something behind. Remember to keep a relaxed state of mind from your onsen visit, but also make a quick check of your belongings before heading out. 5. Recommended hot springs and their unique features. Hakone Onsen accessibility from the city and natural beauty. Hakone Onsen is a popular hot spring destination due to its convenient access from central Tokyo. Located about an hour and a half from Shinjuku by train, it's perfect for day trips. Hakone's main appeal lies in its natural surroundings, with breathtaking seasonal landscapes framed by mountains. The autumn foliage and winter snow are especially captivating. Hakone is also home to renowned tourist spots such as Lake Ashi and the Iwakudani Valley. There are even hot spring spots where you can soak while gazing at Mt. Fuji, offering a luxurious experience that combines both hot spring relaxation and sightseeing. For example, Hakone Yumoto Onsen is a bustling hot spring town with many accommodations ideal for relaxation, along with easily accessible day-use hot springs. Meanwhile, Gora Onsen and Sengokuhara Onsen provide natural spring water baths, allowing guests to unwind at a leisurely pace. The various hot springs scattered throughout the Hakone area each have unique qualities, so every visit offers something new. With its easy access from the city and rich natural environment, Hakone Onsen is highly recommended for both first-time visitors and repeat travelers. Kusatsu Onsen, the Yuba-take and distinctive sulfur springs. Kusatsu Onsen is one of Japan's most famous hot springs, particularly known for the Yuba-take, a visually striking hot spring source area. Kusatsu's water has a high sulfur content, filling the entire town with its unique aroma. One of Kusatsu's major attractions is the high medicinal value of its hot springs. The sulfur springs are known for their antibacterial properties and circulation-boosting effects, which benefit conditions such as rheumatism, skin disorders, and poor circulation. Consequently, Kusatsu is often used as a wellness destination. The Yuba-take, with its impressive white steam and flowing waters, serves as a symbol of Kusatsu Onsen. Surrounding the Yuba-take are footbaths and walking paths, allowing visitors to enjoy the hot spring atmosphere. Additionally, accommodations and souvenir shops encircle the Yuba-take, enabling guests to experience Kusatsu's distinct charm simply by visiting. Kusatsu Onsen, with its strong sulfur scent and therapeutic benefits, captures the essence of a traditional Japanese hot spring destination. It's an ideal spot for those seeking both relaxation and healing in a historically rich setting. Beppu Onsen Jigoku Meguri and a wide variety of hot springs. Beppu Onsen boasts the highest hot spring output in Japan and is famous for the wide variety of hot springs available. The area is also known for the Jigoku Meguri Hell Tour, a sightseeing route that showcases the diversity of Beppu's hot springs. Beppu's unique appeal lies in the variety of spring types available in one area. Options include carbonated springs, chloride springs, and sulfur springs, each with distinct health benefits, allowing visitors to choose based on their condition or desired effect. Beppu also offers unique hot springs such as sand baths and mud baths, providing an experience unlike any other hot spring destination. The Jigoku Meguri is a popular attraction in Beppu, featuring colorful hot springs created by nature, like the Blue Sea Hell and Red Blood Pond Hell. Even just observing these sights is entertaining, giving visitors a sense of the natural power behind Japan's hot springs. With its diverse hot spring options and the Jigoku Meguri, Beppu Onsen is a must-visit for hot spring enthusiasts. As a treasure trove of hot spring culture, Beppu offers an opportunity to experience a wide array of springs and bathing styles in one location. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope the information on enjoying Japan's hot spring culture was helpful. I'll continue to share the charms of Japan, so please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.